Hey guys, so yesterday was the official launch of our network. We made a transaction on the mainnet of Ethereum blockchain, which resulted in a charging of a drone, which was really exciting. And today we're doing the same thing for the second service of route planning, and we'll keep you posted. So stay tuned. Thanks.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So yesterday I finished the route for Joe's interview and released it for feedback, and then I started correspondence with Yuri about using his skill for future videos for intro slides and titles, so you'll be seeing more of that. Today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then I finished working on Joe's interview. It's live, you can check it out right over here. And for the rest of the day, I'm gonna start working on a commotion event, and that will be it. See you next time.
Hey Davers, today I start to build the flow, which is gonna collect data for our whitelist. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday the main focus was making sure that our Telegram campaign went off without a hitch, and we closed it out yesterday. In a matter of 48 hours we had about 27,000 people sign up, which is pretty crazy numbers to our Telegram community. So that went really well and took up most of my day yesterday, just making sure that was run properly and closed out well. Today the main focus has been to build out a little bit of a script for a little video we're shooting, and then also make sure we have the process ready to go when people actually go ahead and contribute to our token sale on June 11th. Thanks everyone, have a great day.
Hi everyone, today I'll make a few slides for our presentation. After then I'll create graphic for our video channel, and after then I'll make a few new banners for welcome page. Also I'll resize our big banner. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.